Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today is an introduction to adding and subtracting integers. But before we get started with adding and subtracting integers, let's consider a few things. Let's start with the first cloud. Continue to think in terms of basic arithmetic. 6 plus 9 still equals 15. Sometimes we lose sight of that when we see positive and negative numbers interacting with one another, but still keep basic arithmetic in mind. The second cloud, you can switch the position of the numbers. Right here, we have 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, but we can switch that to say 9 plus 6 equals 15. Whenever you're adding and subtracting integers, here are the possible outcomes. The answer can be positive, negative, or 0. And with that in mind, here are the 4 scenarios to consider. Scenario 1, you may increase a positive. That is possible because 6 with 9 more added to it would give us 15, and we increased a positive in this case. Scenario 2, you may increase a negative. A negative 6 plus a negative 9 will give you a negative 15. Just kind of think of it like this. If you already owe $6 and then you find out you owe another $9, now you owe a negative $15, which is not a good place to be. So in scenario 2, you can increase a negative. That will be possible. Scenario 3, you may decrease a positive. Kind of think of it when you're going to the mall and you have $100, and the more you buy, the more you decrease that $100. And so this is the case right here that you can see right here, which is an illustration of that. 24 minus 3 equals 21. Scenario 4, you may decrease a negative, meaning that if you already owe money, you can pay it off to the point where you don't have to owe it anymore. And so here are some ways you can switch the position of some equations. 24 minus 3 equals 21, and that is the same as saying a negative 3 plus 24 equals 21. A negative 6 plus a negative 9 equals a negative 15. Likewise, a negative 9 plus a negative 6 will give you a negative 15. A negative 18 plus 5 will equal a negative 13, and 5 plus a negative 18 will equal a negative 13. And so here is some great information that you will need to know and to keep in mind when you're adding and subtracting integers. Right now, you can pause the video and reread the clouds, or you may play the video as many times as you need to. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.